The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello everyone, I hope all are doing good. In the last class we discussed some topics about multiplication, right? I hope all have understood all the topics which we have discussed there and completed the home funds also. എല്ലാവരും ചെയ്തില്ലേ ഹോം ഫണ്ടൊക്കെ? എനിക്കൊരു വളരെ സന്തോഷമുള്ളൊരു കാര്യം എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ കുറച്ച് കുട്ടികൾ, ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ ആദിദേവ് ശങ്കർ അങ്ങനെ കുറേ കുട്ടികൾ നമ്മൾ ക്ലാസ് ഫോർവേഡ് ചെയ്തതിന് ഒരു 1-2 മണിക്കൂറിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ തന്നെ എല്ലാ വർക്കും കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് എനിക്ക് അയച്ചു തരും. അപ്പോൾ എത്ര സന്തോഷമാണെന്നറിയാം അതൊക്കെ കാണുമ്പോൾ. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും ക്ലാസ് കാണുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ ആ വർക്ക്സ് ഒക്കെ ചെയ്യാനും ആ ഹോം വർക്ക് തന്നതൊക്കെ അപ്പം തന്നെ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനും ശ്രമിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ വളരെ നല്ല കാര്യമാണ് അല്ലേ? അപ്പം നമുക്കധികം ബേർഡനും ഉണ്ടാവില്ല, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അയ്യോ അത് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലല്ലോ ഇത് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലല്ലോ എന്നൊരു ടെൻഷൻ ഉണ്ടാവും. അപ്പം എല്ലാവരും വർക്ക് നമ്മുടെ വീഡിയോസ് കണ്ട ഉടനെ തന്നെ വർക്കുകളൊക്കെ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് അയച്ചു തരാം. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഒരു ബ്രെയിൻ ജിമ്മും പഠിച്ചു അല്ലേ? എല്ലാവരും ചെയ്ത് നോക്കിയോ? ബ്രെയിൻ ജിം ചെയ്യാൻ കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടോ സ്പീഡിൽ? ഓക്കെ, ഈ ഒരു ബ്രെയിൻ ജിം നിങ്ങൾ റെഗുലറായിട്ട് പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പം നിങ്ങളുടെ ബ്രെയിനിന് കുറച്ച് ആക്ടിവേഷനും കിട്ടും, പഠിക്കാനൊക്കെ ഒരു എനർജിയും കിട്ടും. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മളുടെ കുറച്ച് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ഈ ബ്രെയിൻ ജിം ചെയ്യുന്ന വീഡിയോസ് എനിക്ക് അയച്ചു തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം അവരെങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്തതെന്ന്. ഓക്കെ,
Hello everyone, I am Amrit TG from 3rd C. I am going to do hand gestures. It will improve our brain skills. Thank you everyone.
Good morning to all. My name is Vaishnav. I am going to do the finger gesture activity. First we want to take the pocket sign and the peace sign. I will do this activity very fastly. Bye.
thank you my dears. As I said, you have to practice this at home regularly. Okay, അപ്പം നിങ്ങളുടെ ബ്രെയിനിന് കുറച്ച് ആക്ടിവേഷനും കുറച്ച് എനർജിയൊക്കെ കിട്ടും, as I said. Okay, now it's our turn to continue our lesson. Shall we? Children, please take page number 98, PEP activity. Susan and her classmates are going on a trip to a theme park. There are 34 students in each bus. There are 2 buses. In each bus, there are 34 students. So find the total number of students. Here we have to find the total number of students going for the tour. Okay, 2 buses are there. In each bus, 34 students can be seated. Let's find out the total number of students for the trip. There are 34 students in the first bus. In the second bus also 34 students are there. So what we will do to find the total number of students? We have to add these two numbers, right? So let's add 4 plus 4, 8. 3 plus 3, 6. So there are 68 students in total for the trip, right? See here children, 34 plus 34. This is a repeated addition, right? Instead of writing 34 plus 34, we can write this as 2 into 34. That is 2 groups of 34 students. It is easy to do 2 into 3 or 2 into 4. How can we multiply 2 and 34? How can we do 2 into 34? Let's learn that. 2 into 34. 2 groups of 34 students. In the last video, we have learned that even if the order of the numbers change, the answer will not change. So, this fact we can write as 34 into 2. Okay. That is 2 into 34 is equal to 34 into 2. Here 34 is the multiplicand and 2 is the multiplier. Multiplicand is the number which is going to be multiplied. Multiplier is the number by which a multiplicand is going to be multiplied. Okay. Next, let's write the multiplicand according to the places. Okay. So, 34. 4 is in the ones place and 3 is in the tens place. Next, let's put the multiplication symbol. Next, let's write the multiplier. Since a multiplier is a single digit, we have to write it in the ones place. Okay. Next, we have to multiply the digit in the ones place by the multiplier. That is 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. So that 8 we have to write in the ones place. Okay. Next, we have to multiply the digit in the tens place by the multiplier. That is 3 into 2. That we have to write in the tens place. That is 3 into 2, 6. That we have to write in the tens place. So we got the answer 68. Okay. Let's do some more example. First, let's multiply 13 into 3. Okay. First, we have to write the multiplicand 13 and put the multiplication sign. Then write the multiplier 3 here according to the places, right? Okay. Next, we have to multiply the digit in the ones place of the multiplicand by the multiplier. Multiplicandinte ones placeലുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റിനെ multiplier കൊണ്ട് first നമുക്ക് multiply ചെയ്യണം. Here 3 into 3 we have to do first. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 3s are 9. That we have to write in the ones place. Then next we have to multiply the digit in the tens place of the multiplicand by the multiplier. ഇനി multiplicandinte tens placeലുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റിനെ multiplier ne tamle multiply cheyanam. Okay. So 1 3s are 3. That we have to write in the tens place. Now we got the answer 39. Clear? Next, let's multiply the numbers 21 into 4. Okay. First, let's write the multiplicand 21. Put the multiplication sign, then write the multiplier. First, we have to multiply the digits in the ones place of the multiplicand by the multiplier. Multiplicandinte ones place ഉള്ള ഡിജിറ്റിനെ multiplierനെ തമ്മിൽ multiply ചെയ്യണം. Okay. So 1 into 4 we will get 4. Next, the digit in the tens place of the multiplicand we have to multiply by the multiplier. That is 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. That we have to write in the tens place. So we will get 84 as the answer. Let's do one more example. 31 into 6. Let's see how these numbers will be multiplied. So first we have to write the multiplicand, then put the multiplication sign, then write the multiplier. Okay. First we have to multiply 1 and 6. So 1 into 6 is 6. Next, we have to multiply the digit in the tens place of the multiplicand by the multiplier, right? Tens place the multiplicand in the tens place number multiplier multiply. So 3 into 6, 3 6 are 18. We will get 18. So we have to write 18 like this. In this answer, we will have hundreds place also. Okay. So 31 into 6 is equal to 186. Clear? I hope everyone understood how to multiply a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Next, let's learn another method of multiplication, lattice multiplication. Let's see how we will do lattice multiplication of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Let us find the product of 34 into 2 by using lattice multiplication. Let us do this example step by step for better understanding. First, we have to draw the lattice grid that has as many columns as the multiplicand and as many rows as the multiplier. So, let's first draw the lattice grid. Okay. And here in the multiplicand we have 2 digits. So, we have to draw 2 columns, and in the multiplier only 1 digit is there. So, only 1 row is enough. Okay. Next, let's write the multiplicand on the top of this grid. 34 into 2. 2 multiplier we have to write on the side. Okay. Next, we have to draw the diagonal for each box from the upper right corner to the lower left corner. Okay. Like this, we have to draw the diagonal. Okay. This diagonal, we have to extend a short past the grid. Okay. Diagonal. So, here also we have to draw the diagonal and just extend a short. Okay. Understood? Okay. Next, we have to identify the place. Okay, place is okay. In the grid, portion, this portion is called ones place. That's ones place. The space between these two diagonals, these two diagonals in the space is tens place. Okay, this portion is called tens place, and this portion is the hundreds. Clear? Ones, tens, hundreds. Clear? Next, let's start multiplying. First, we have to multiply the digit in the ones place by the multiplier, that is 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is 4 2s are 8, right? So, we have to write 8 in the ones place. Ones place digit multiplier multiply. So, we have to write the answer in the ones place. Clear? Since 8 is a single digit, anything is there in the tens place. 8 single digit, 1 digit. Appa tens place number undo? No. So, we have to put a 0 in the tens place. Clear? That portion is over. Next, we have to multiply the digit in the tens place by the multiplier. Ini namukku multiplicand inde tens place ilulla digit ine multiplier konde multiply cheyam. Okay. So, 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6. Then we tens place multiply cheytadu. So, we have to write the answer in the tens place. Here we have to write the answer. This box is tens place. Okay. In the hundreds place, digit tens place. So, in the hundreds place, we have to put a 0. Clear? Okay. Almost we answer answer okay, in the ones place we have 8. So, write here in the ones place. In the tens place we have 6 and 0. Since multiplication is a repeated addition, we have to add these two numbers, 6 plus 0. Okay, 6 plus 0, what is the answer? 6. Okay. In the hundreds place, anything is there? No. So, we have to put a 0 in the hundreds place. Next we have to read the answer. Okay, we have to read the digit down the left side and then towards the right side of the at the bottom, and then only we can get the final answer. Okay, so 100th place lete digit adim ezhuda 0, then write the digit in the 10th place, it is 6, then 1's place. Like this we have to write the answer 068, that we can read as 68. Okay, so we got the answer 34 into 2 is equal to 68. Okay, understood? Let's take another example, 33 into 2. First let's draw the lattice grid. Here in the multiplicand we have 2 digits, so we have to draw 2 more columns, and in the multiplier we have only 1 digit, so only 1 row is enough. Next we have to draw the diagonal for these boxes and extend the diagonal like this. Here also draw the diagonal and extend like this. Next we have to write the multiplicand on the top of this grid and the multiplier on the side. Next we have to write the places here, 1's place, 10's, 100's. Okay, next let's start multiplying. Let's first multiply the digit in the 1's place by the multiplier, that is 3 into 2. 3 2's are 6, that we have to write in the 1's place. And in the 10's place anything is there? No, nothing, so we have to write a 0 there. Next we have to multiply the digit in the 10's place. So 10's place 3. 3 into 2, that is also 6, that we have to write in the 10's place. Okay. Then in the 100's place anything is there? No, nothing. So we have to write a 0 there. Next let's write the answer here. In the 1's place we have 6, write 6 there. In the 10's place we have 6 and 0. We have to add 6 and 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. Write 6 in the 10's place, and the 100's place only 0 is there. So we got the answer. We have to read the answer from 100's place. 100's place we have 0, 0. In the 10's place 6, 1's place 6. So 066 is the answer. Answer is 066, that we can write as 66. So 33 into 2 we will get 66 as the answer. Let's do another example, 43 into 3. Okay, first we have to draw the lattice grid. Okay, here in the multiplicand we have 2 digits, so we have to draw 2 columns, and in the multiplier we have only 1 digit, so 1 row is enough. Okay, next let's write the multiplicand on the top of the lattice grid and multiplier on the side. Next let's draw the diagonal and extend the diagonal like this. Okay, next let's write the places. Here 1's, here 10's, and here 100's. Okay, first next let's start multiplying. First we have to multiply the digit in the 10's place by the multiplier, that is 3 into 3. 3 3's are 9, and in the 10's place nothing is there, so we have to write a 0 there. And in the 10's place we have 4, and next we have to multiply this 4 by the multiplier 3, that is 4 3's are 12. Here 2 digits are there, 4 into 3, 4 3's are 12, we have 2 digits, so we have to write 12 like this, 1 here in the 100th place and 2 in the 10's place. Okay, now we have to write down the answers here. In the 1's place we have 9. Okay, write down 9 here. In the 10's place we have 2 and 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. In the 100's place we have 1. So write 1 here. Okay, now we got the answer 129. So the answer is 129, 129. Understood? Let's do one more example. 53 into 5. Okay. First we have to draw the grid, right? Yes. Grid is ready. Next, 2 digits are there. So we have to draw 2 columns, right? Then next what we have to do? Yes, write the multiplicand on the top and multiplier on the side. Next what we have to do? Yes, draw the diagonal. Okay. Next, yes, places. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Shall we start multiplying? Yes, first we have to multiply 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. We got 3 5s are 15, right? So we got 2 digits here. How can we write here? Yes, in the ones place we have 5 and in the tens place we have 1. So we have to write 1 in the tens place and 5 in the ones place. Clear? ഇതുവരെയ്ക്ക് നമുക്ക് ഒരു ഡിജിറ്റ് ഉള്ള നമ്പറാണ് കിട്ടിയിരുന്നത് അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് 2 ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ടെൻസിലും നമ്പർ എഴുതാനുണ്ട്, വൺസിലും എഴുതാനുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് വി ഹാവ് to multiply the digit in the tens place by the multiplier, that is 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, right? So we have to write 25 like this. In the hundreds place 2 and in the tens place 5. Okay, now let's write down the answer here. In the ones place we have 5. Okay, in the tens place we have 1 and 5. So we have to add 5 plus 1 is 6. In the hundreds place we have 2. Okay, so we got the answer 265. 265. So we got the answer, sorry, 265. Clear? Understood? I hope everyone understood the long multiplication and lattice multiplication. That's all for today. We will continue this lesson in the next video. Until then, bye bye.